it is the majority that rules in this committee. Let us conclude the discussion on that manifestation.
Martes pa lang ngayon, Day 2 ng pagdinig sa impeachment complaint laban kay VP Pionatic Sara Duterte. Kahapon, bumoto ang Justice Committee ng Lower House na sufficient inform ang ikatlo at ikaapat na reklamo laban kay Piona. Pero bago pa umabot sa botohan, katakot-takot na depensa, fake news at samut-saring kabubuhan muna ang ipinamalas ng mga DDS sa Kamara.
So you're objecting.
No, I'm appealing to reinstate the remarks earlier made by...
The motion is
Representative.
still pending. It's not yet resolved. If there are no objection,
Cannot object.
then the chair approves the motions to strike off from the record the manifestation of about the money allegedly received by the House members from the manifestation of the Honorable Suntay. So ruled.
Diyan na nga nagkabukingan ang lahat, lumutang ang sinasabing script ni Levi Baligod at Mike Defensor kasama ang 18 so-called ex-Marines na mistulang bahagi ng character assassination at black propaganda kontra sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte.
With due respect to the 25 members who were mentioned in the affidavit,
Honorable Marcoleta, you are reminded by the chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
I submit to the wisdom of the chair.
Thank you.
Hindi rin nakaporma ang anak ni Rodante Marcoleta na laging out of order sa House at laging pinapagalitang parang batang may saltik ni Committee Chair at Batangas Representative Jervil Jinky Luistro.
I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience.
Pero hindi pa diyan natapos ang kanyang kapalpakan. Tinangkapan niyang pagdiskitahan ang audience member na si Kiko D.
I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you will remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when the
Dahil sa diumano'y kanyang premonition.
when the
Which means he hasn't committed any yet.
not yet, but as a forewarn, as a premonition or a warning.
Ang tinding kabubuhan, di ba? Siyempre, mas lalo lang napahiya ang anak ni Marcoleta, hindi lang kay Luistro, kundi pati kay ML Representative Laila de Lima.
Which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, Madam Chair, it is completely improper for our colleague here to raise that matter. And he has not cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D. And alluding
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the manifestation.
So ngayong Martes, bagong episode, bagong main character, ang isinabak ng mga kontrabidang DDS, si Quezon City Representative Bong Santay na proud pa sa kanyang pag-amin ng kanyang kamanyakan, typical Digongyo Mignon.
And lastly, alam mo minsan, nasa Shangri-La ako, nakita ko si Ann Curtis. Ang ganda-ganda pala niya. You know, may desire sa loob ko na nag-init talaga. At na-imagine ko na lang kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Pero siyempre, hanggang imagination na lang yun. Pero, di naman siguro ako pwedeng kasuhan dahil kung ano-ano ina-imagine ko eh.
Kung kahapon may premonition ang anak ni Marcoleta, ngayong araw may imagination naman si Santay na nakakadiri para sa subject ng kanyang kamanyakan na si Ann Curtis na may anak na at happily married pa.
It's so eerie!
Thank you very much, Madam Chair.
If the Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I would like to have those statements stricken from the record.
Madam
There
Chair,
is
Happy
nothing
Women's Month.
sexual dun sa sinabi ko. Nothing immoral. It's just, I said, may na-imagine ako. I think there is nothing wrong.
Nevertheless, Madam Chair, I want that deleted in the record.
Can the chair hear the proper motion towards
I
striking
make a motion,
out from the
Madam
record?
Chair.
Honorable Zamora.
Madam Chair, I move to strike those statements from the record.
Objection, Madam Chair.
There is a motion to strike out from the record the earlier manifestation of the Honorable Suntay about his imagination upon seeing Ann Curtis.
Sa totoo lang, kung ano-ano na lang ang kabastusan, kabubohan at kamanyakan na pinagsasabi at pinaggagawa ng mga alipures ni Digongyo sa Kamara, lahat para lang maipagtanggol si Fiona.